Good morning.
It's Thursday, just on the first beach at the push still.
So beautiful. We came down here, had a little walk. It's so lovely and so peaceful as well.
Just about to check out of our Quilliot Lodge, and then we're going to go up to the third beach. It's about a 1.5 mile hike down to the beach. See what's got in store, and then we're going to go into Forks, the home of Twilight.
See what's happening there.
Yeah.
So here we are, our first hike. We're hiking down to Third Beach. We've parked up the car. Now we're deep in the wilderness. Very exciting.
Yeah. Washington was it Olympic National Park we're in?
I don't know if we're in the national park or not. I'm unclear on the boundaries of the park, but it's definitely gorgeous either way.
It's very very thick forest. I feel like we can't never get out.
Yeah. Let's hope we don't get lost.
We're here on Ruby Beach.
Yes, it's beautiful. It's a little foggy. We walked our hike earlier and we went to Third Beach, which is also gorgeous, but super foggy. So we came back, then we went to Forks, had some lunch in a little diner place, super like small town America. Everyone in there knew everybody, apart from us of course, and yeah, it was good. We're making pretty slow progress on our trip this morning.
Keep making stops.
We keep stopping, but still good.
About to leave Adrift Hotel at Long Beach.
It's been a gorgeous hotel, so happy that we stayed here. We've got the cloudy, rainy weather that we were promised for the Pacific Northwest today, but we didn't let it stop us. We took a bike ride this morning, a little bit wet.
And now we're about to drive down to Cannon Beach.
Yeah, and Seaside. We're going to go into Oregon. We're leaving Washington, which is sad, but exciting to go to Oregon, our second state.
And then on to Portland.
And last night we saw a bald eagle on the beach, which was so exciting, although apparently he is like a resident here, so reception girl was nonplussed.
No one else was quite as excited as us.
But yeah, it's been fun.
Great. On to Portland.
Let's go.
This is the hour, the darkest place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world,